Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then my name is Urvashi and I will be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So today's video is all about creating this red smoky makeup look, and if you want to know that how I created this look, then stay tuned to my video till the end and find out how I did this. So another thing, that do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So without much overdue, let's get into the video. So guys, let's start with today's look. As we all know that our first step would be using a moisturizer to moisturize our face. So we would be using a moisturizer first. It is very important to hydrate your skin. Now you know that, so do it. हाँ, मॉइस्चराइजर तब ठीक है, इसमें हो जा रहा है, बट इसके बाद स्टेप्स में मुझे प्रॉब्लम होगा. मिरर लेके आती हूँ. ये वैसे भी नो मिरर मेकअप चैलेंज तो है नहीं. हाँ, आई गॉट एन आइडिया, आई कैन डू दैट इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो एक्चुअली. नो मिरर मेकअप, हाँ, दैट वुड बी नाइस. बट अभी तो है, ये है नहीं वो. सो लेट मी ब्रिंग अ मिरर, क्योंकि नहीं तो मुझे प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स में. हाँ, तो आप हाइड्रेट कर लीजिए, उसके बाद हम मिरर लेके आते हैं. ओके, सो मैं मिरर लेके चली आई हूँ और मैंने टाई भी कर लिया है, नहीं तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. एंड सिर्फ मॉइस्चराइजर यूज़ किया है अभी से. आई एम स्वेटिंग. ओ गॉड, आई हैव वेरी लाइक एक्टिव स्वेट ग्लैंड्स. हाउ डू एनीवे, नेक्स्ट स्टेप वुड बी यूजिंग अ प्राइमर. सो ये पिछले वीडियो में देखा था ना. दिस इज फ्रॉम ब्लू हेवन. So make sure that you prime your face as well as your neck. It's very important. हाँ, सो यहाँ पे मेरा मिरर है, सो मैं करके फिर यहाँ पे आती हूँ. So we're done with priming our face. Our next step would be using a foundation, but as it is summer and you know, using excessive foundation and again concealer and everything on it makes it look so cakey, so we will be using BB cream for now. It is a very good option in summer, I must say, and especially for those who have very active sweat glands just like me. So next step is take a generous amount of BB cream on your hand and put it on your face. As we will be using a concealer today, so do not use BB cream or foundation on your under eye areas, otherwise it will look unnatural. Next step is blending with a blender, and make sure, if not regularly, you wash your blender at least once a week. So the concealer I am using, it's from Maybelline. It's a Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I am in the shade 15, which is fair. So let's do. Use your concealer in your under eye areas. You can also make a triangular form that gives a good, you know, like nice coverage thing. Use the concealer in the upper areas, in your T-zones. एंड एनीवेयर जहाँ पे यू नो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क सर्कल्स है या फिर आपको वो हाइड करना है, तो आप वहाँ पे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. मेरा जहाँ पे है, आई एम यूजिंग देयर. एंड अंडर आईज, दैट्स अ मस्ट. या So now the same thing, now again you have to blend it just you did with the foundation or the BB cream you're using. Make sure that you blend it nicely. Also, yeah, the concealer that you have used in your under eyes, take that in the upper portion too. ओके गाइज, तो मैंने कंसीलर पूरा ब्लेंड कर दिया है. सो आवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप वुड बी यूजिंग अ कॉम्पैक्ट और अ सेटिंग पाउडर. So your next step would be filling your brows, and make sure that before filling your brows you do not forget to comb your brows. One more thing, that do not overdo your brows, it looks very unnatural. Just fill the brows. That looks more natural and nice. So guys, I'm done with filling my brows, and our next step would be using our eyeshadow. So the one I'm using for today is this Huda Beauty, and this is Rose Gold palette. So we will be using this for today. So guys, for the for a base eyeshadow, I'll be using the lightest shade, which is this one, the last one from the last row, that is the Sandalwood. We will be using that because that is the lightest one, and for the base eyeshadow you should always go with the lightest shade. So let's go. यहाँ पे करती हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे दिखाई नहीं देगा मुझे. Also, one more thing, make sure when you take your eyeshadow on your brush, before applying it on your eyes, you just drop off the excess eyeshadow and then use it, or else it looks again very unnatural. So after I'm done with applying the base shade on my eyes, I'll be going with my outer area. So the one I'll be using is a mixture of this shade, this is henna, and this one, that is the cocoa. You can also go with just one of these shades if you want to, but I most of the times when I'm doing this kind of makeup, I go with the mixture. So yeah, if you want something light, then you can go with the henna one, and if you want a darkish thing, but to some extent, then go with the cocoa one. So we will be using cocoa one very less because it is very deep one, but for the subtle one we will be using the subtle one more, so we are using henna more. Next step would be applying the kajal. So let's just do it. So as you guys can see that I'm done with the kajal, and our next step would be applying the eyeliner. So let's just do it. You can also use your kajal as your eyeliner, anything that you want, anything you're comfortable with. So let's just do it. So I'm so happy that how my eyeliner turned out, and the same thing I'll be doing in my second eye and then come back to you guys. So for the time being, I'm done with my eyes. If it needs anything else, then I'll be doing it later on. Our next step would be using a blush, and the blush I'll be using for today is from Sugar, and this is from Sugar, and this is in the shade 03, which is Mauve Marble. So we will be using it. This is how it looks like. This is the color. You can also use your lipstick as your blush. That's fine actually. After applying the blush, our next step would be using the highlighter, and this highlighter is also from Sugar, and the one I am using, it is in the shade 01, which is Champagne Champion. So let's just use it. This is how it looks like. Yeah. After blending the highlighter properly, you are good to go with the lipstick. Make sure you highlight only those areas where you actually want your the light to get reflected, where it would look nice after highlighting. Not everywhere. Don't put your highlighter everywhere. That doesn't look good at all. Next, our final step would be applying the lipstick, and the one I'm using for today is from Sugar, and this is in the shade 06, which is Spring Crimson. So guys, this is what it looks like after applying the lipstick, and the last thing that I'll be doing with my eyes is just using the last shade, that is called Fling, in my inner corners of the eyes. Okay, I'll be using it in the I'll be doing it in the mirror. You can use a smaller brush for this, or you can use your hand. I use my hand because I have more control with my hand than my brush. Also, you have to do it very delicately, just in the inner portions, as you guys can see. So I prefer to do it with my hand. So guys, this is what it looks like. This is my after makeup look, and yeah, we are done with the makeup. I think this makeup is very bold and nice at the same time. You can do this makeup anywhere you want. You just have to fit in with a red dress and you are good to go with this makeup. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this makeup. And also another thing, that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do not forget to subscribe to it and hit the bell notification so that you never miss any updates whenever I post a video. Also, do stay at home and stay safe. I'll be seeing you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.